Dal Vagharli Khitchdi, and for that I've been soaking Toor Dal for about 30 minutes or more, but mine has been soaking for about 4 or 5 hours, so the Toor Dal is going to cook much faster. So I wash it and clean it just right before cooking. I soaked 1¼ cups of plain rice, basmati rice, for about 15 minutes or more, and the Toor Dal needs to cook soak for a lot longer than the rice because it takes longer to cook, and the more you soak it, the easier it becomes to cook it. I have added 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, which I will crackle for a few minutes, and then add a whole onion that has been diced very thinly, very fine. Now that the cumin has started crackling, I am going to add my onion. And this is 1 medium-sized onion that has been finely chopped. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic paste. A teaspoon of garlic paste, and not ginger paste, just garlic. And 1 green chili. Now, if you're making for kids, you might even want to skip the green chilies. Very yummy. So we'll saute the onions slightly. I added 3 black peppercorns. The onions turn slight pink like this. I'll add a potato, just 1 large sized potato. The onions turn slight pink, we've added 1 large chewy potato. The dal is 3/4 cups of soaked dal, and I'm going to add 2 cups of water and soaked Toor Dal. I'll add ½ teaspoon of paprika. And then about teaspoon of coriander powder. Teaspoon of cumin powder, jeera powder. Give it a good stir. So I just added my 1¼ cup of rice, and I'm going to add my water. This is 1 cup, 2nd cup, and I will add another ½ cup. I added 2½ cups. I'm going to give everything a good stir, and then we will pressure cook it on medium heat for 15 minutes. Cooking the khitchdi, make sure you have adjusted your salt. I did add like a pinch of salt extra. Season the khitchdi. We are going to pressure cook it. For 15 minutes on medium heat. I switched off my pressure cooker after 15 minutes, and then I let it sit in for 15 minutes, just like that, without opening it. And now I'm going to be opening it and then fluffing the this is what this wonderful khitchdi looks like. I just want to check if my dal is ready, and dal is nice and soft, and so I'm going to give it a good fluff, and it is ready to serve. So you can serve this khitchdi with whipped yogurt, or like what I'm going to do, I'm going to serve it with curry and popper. At this point, I'm making my kachumber. I have 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, half a purple onion and one green chili. I'm going to combine them in one bowl. To add some salt and lime juice. Salt to taste and lime juice to taste. Salt, and I'm going to add my lime juice, and this kachumber is ready to serve. And I made quite a lot because everyone likes it. In this khichdi can be served with this kachumber and Gujarati curry, or and you can see the link below in this video, or you can just serve this khichdi with whipped yogurt and salt. Yogurt that's just whipped with plain salt, and it's a complete nice meal with achar. So I'll give it all a mix. Is it ready to serve? Enjoy.